Imagine this. 3 years ago, I posted my very first YouTube short. I had no clue what I was doing. My video barely scraped together 100 views. I was frustrated, but I didn't give up. I kept experimenting, learning, and improving. Fast forward to today, and I've cracked the code. My shorts now regularly hit millions of views, 4 million, 6 million, 9 million, and even beyond. This isn't magic, luck, or guesswork. It's a repeatable system, a proven formula that any creator can follow to grow their channel and go viral. Stick with me, because by the end of this guide, you'll have everything you need to replicate this success, from hooking your audience to mastering the algorithm. And if you're serious about your channel, this could be the game changer you've been waiting for. Let's start with the foundation, the YouTube algorithm. Think of it as a treasure map, guiding viewers to the best content on the platform. But here's the thing, this map isn't random. It doesn't rely on luck. It's designed to reward engaging, high-quality content that keeps people watching. When I first started, I wondered, why isn't it pushing my videos? The truth was, my content wasn't good enough. The algorithm was simply prioritizing better content. That's when I realized something crucial. If you can create shorts with high retention rates, success isn't just possible, it's inevitable. Now, let's talk about the single most important part of any short, the hook. This is where you either capture your viewers' attention or lose them forever. Think about this. You're scrolling through shorts on your phone. You're bombarded with videos, each one vying for your attention. How many do you skip in just a few seconds? Probably most of them. This is why your hook matters so much. You have 2 seconds, yes, just 2 seconds, to grab someone's attention. If you fail, they'll scroll away and you've lost them forever. So, how do you craft a killer hook? Visual hooks. Use bold, unexpected visuals. One of my favorite examples is Mr. Beast's jet engine short. He starts by sitting on a red chair with a newspaper near a massive jet engine, paired with a 1% loading bar. It's bizarre, it's intriguing, and it makes you stop scrolling. Audio hooks. Use curiosity-driven questions or statements. One of my shorts opens with "what if?" or "what happens if?" It immediately makes viewers wonder and stick around for the answer. Every second counts. Start fast, spark curiosity, and give your audience a reason to keep watching. Your content ideas are the foundation of your success. Without a strong idea, even the best execution won't save your short. Here's how to find topics that resonate with your audience. Trend research. Use tools like vidIQ or Google Trends to identify what's currently popular in your niche. Competitor analysis. Study top-performing shorts in your niche. Look at their themes, formats, and hooks, and think about how you can add your unique twist. Repurpose content. Turn successful long-form videos into bite-sized shorts. If a topic worked well in a longer format, chances are it'll work as a short too. Example, I've adapted several of my best-performing long-form videos into shorts and seen them go viral. This approach not only saves time, but also ensures you're working with proven concepts. Timing plays a bigger role than you might think. Posting at the right time can significantly boost your views. But when is the right time? Here's what worked for me. Analytics. YouTube Studio tells you when your audience is most active. Use this data to schedule your uploads. Morning posts. I've found that posting in the morning often works best. It captures viewers early in their day, giving your short more time to gain momentum. Experiment with different times to find what works for your audience. How often should you post? This is one of the most common questions I get, and the answer depends on your capacity to maintain quality. Once per day. This strikes the perfect balance between consistency and quality. Avoid overposting. Posting more than 4 times a day can confuse the algorithm and dilute your content quality. Remember, consistency is more important than quantity. It's better to post one great short every day than to flood your channel with mediocre content. Consistency isn't just about frequency, it's about building trust with your audience. When viewers know they can expect regular, high-quality content from you, they'll keep coming back. Here's a quick story. Early in my journey, I struggled with consistency. I'd post sporadically, and my channel's growth reflected that. But when I committed to a schedule, posting every day, my audience grew, and the algorithm started favoring my content. Tip: find a schedule that works for you and stick to it, whether that's daily, 3 times a week, or even weekly. Have you ever watched a short that seamlessly loops back to the beginning? These are some of the most effective shorts for boosting watch time. Here's how you can create a perfect loop. Plan your ending so it naturally transitions into your beginning. Here's an example.
The air, and then it'll show the legs landing, and it'll give you this perfect loop. The air, and then it'll show the legs landing, and it'll give you this perfect loop.
Avoid traditional wrap-ups like, "Thanks for watching," or "Merry Christmas." Instead, end with a moment that makes viewers want to rewatch. One of the smartest things you can do as a creator is study what works. Look at the top-performing shorts in your niche. Analyze their structure, hooks, and storytelling. Then add your unique spin. For example, I once saw a short about a viral challenge. Instead of copying it outright, I adapted it to my niche and added humor. The result? A video that felt fresh and original while leveraging a proven concept. Remember, imitation without innovation won't get you far. Always strive to bring something new to the table. Retention is the ultimate key to success. The longer viewers stay on your video, the more likely the algorithm is to recommend it. Here's how to maximize retention. Mini hooks. Sprinkle additional hooks throughout your video to keep viewers engaged. Build anticipation. Delay the payoff to keep viewers watching until the end. Cut the filler. Every second of your short should add value. Example: in a short about a hidden feature in an app, tease the reveal early on, but save it for the final moments. Viral success often takes time. Many of my shorts didn't gain traction until weeks or even months after posting. This is why consistency is so important. Keep refining your approach, analyzing your performance, and staying patient. The results will come. By now, you have the complete roadmap to creating viral shorts. From mastering the hook to crafting compelling ideas, optimizing timing, and building a consistent posting schedule, every piece of this puzzle is designed to help you succeed. Success on YouTube isn't reserved for the lucky or the famous. It's for creators like you who are willing to learn, adapt, and put in the work. Your next viral short is closer than you think. Ready to take action? Start creating today. With the strategies you've learned here, you're not just making shorts. You're building a channel that can thrive for years to come. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with someone who needs this advice, and subscribe for more content like this. And if you have any questions or want me to cover a specific topic in the future, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.